Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll look at what generative AI is in simple English. We'll also explore why generative AI is a big deal. Generative AI is a text generator, right? Then what's the big deal about it? Yes, it's a text generator, but it's much, much more. It's huge. It's a paradigm shift. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Nandan Mulakara with Bot Nirvana. We are a supportive community with premium resources to help you in your AI transformation journey. So, what's generative AI? Generative AI, as the name implies, is generating stuff. It started by generating text, and that's what we see with ChatGPT. And it's been the most successful AI so far. It reached 1 million users in 5 days, and it has billions of views right now. We've also been using it to generate images and gotten quite good at it quite fast. Midjourney is a great example. We are now moving on to videos. Sora from OpenAI is an example of where we will go with videos soon. So you see the trend, right? We've gone from one stuff to another stuff to generate newer things. We are starting to generate stuff that will have profound implications, from code to music to educational content and more. And these models, which are being used for general purpose generations, are called foundational models. And these foundational models are trained with a vast amount of data, unsupervised data from the internet, and they learn from this data and can transfer this intelligence to a wide variety of tasks. And since this is adaptable to a wide range of use cases, these class of models are being called a general purpose AI, and that's a big deal. You see, so far what we have been doing is instructing the computer exactly what it needs to be doing. We started with rule-based AI, which was basically defining a set of rules, and so AI would spit out an output based on the rules. And then we figured that we could give the computer lots of data, and then it could figure out the patterns and solve problems for us. But still we were giving it specific data, for example, fraud detection, and then it would solve the problem of fraud detection. And we would largely know what the outputs of the AI would be. And then we said, let's mimic the human brain. We started creating deep neural networks for us to solve this problem by feeding it data. And fast forward to today, we have a general purpose AI, which is more intelligent than humans in some of the areas already. So now we are at a fork in the road where earlier we were telling the computer exactly what it needs to do, and we had predictive outputs. To now, we are at a stage where we would give the computer a general purpose intelligence and input, and we are not quite sure what the output is. This is a paradigm shift. This is completely new. And it is a stage where instead of instructing the computers, we have to start to learn to work with the computers. So that's one paradigm shift we are seeing. And the other thing we need to be aware of is that the pace of this technology is exponential. If we look at the image generation improvement we have seen in the past 5 months from tools like Midjourney, it's truly transformative. And that's what we'll see in other areas as well. So two key big things to understand with generative AI and why it's a big deal is because of it's the computer becoming a general purpose intelligence. It can be used for a variety of tasks, and its ability to do such tasks is exponentially increasing day by day. So we can see that these new capabilities are being used for a wide variety of things already, from DNA sequencing to drug discovery to generating new routes from logistics to predicting various things like the maintenance failures in manufacturing or forecasting things like energy demand. So this generation capability can be extended to a wide variety of things, and the sky is the limit. We just have one hitch here. This is a general purpose intelligence, an intelligence which is almost equal to human intelligence in many levels. So it hallucinates or gives you output which you quite did not expect many times. And so the challenge here is not to code the computer or instruct it what to do. It's a totally new challenge. The new challenge is to understand how to work with this computer to get the outputs that you want, how to make this computer, this new general purpose intelligence, work for you. And the way to do that right now is through prompting. And it's going to change. It's going to change rapidly. The computer is going to get better at understanding what people are going to say, and prompting can evolve into new things. But right now it is prompts. And that's what we'll cover on this channel more in the next few videos. So if that's of interest, please do subscribe. So we have seen that generative AI is generating stuff in plain English. It's gotten better at it though. It's getting better at generating newer and newer stuff, as we saw drug discovery to forecasting new routes. So it's only going to get better exponentially from here. So what will you use it for? What creative things are you thinking of using this for? Thinking of the possibilities with generative AI, I have made a video covering 20 plus use cases that you can use generative AI right now. I'll link that in the comments as well as somewhere here. So watch that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.